Hey everyone, welcome back. For those that are joining for the first time, welcome. Hope you all had a very Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, or whatever holiday you celebrate this time of year. I got a new shirt my wife made. You can see here, brush plus element of the Dovo equals, that says bald is beautiful. So that was when I had my goatee. Anyway, I had a really good Christmas on our end. It was a nice, relaxing weekend. So for the shave this evening, I'm going to be using something I've had for a little bit, but haven't used yet. Well, I used it once on my head. That is Barbus. Barbus Classic. This stuff is 5.2 ounces in this little small container. I say small when you compare it to when I thought about this when I said earlier, but you know, here's like a standard 4-ounce soap. This one happens to be Storybook Soapworks. You can see it's almost as high, but not nearly as big. And you got 5.2 ounces here. I think this is a 4-ounce pour. But this thing is filled to the brim. I mean, you open it up, and I've scraped some off. I've used it once before. You can see it kind of works there. It just works well. A very clean scent. Have that whipped up here in the TSB lather bowl. Wiped to go home from work. I'm using Serenity from Craving Shaving. This has a clear handle on the clear portion on the bottom. There you can see that. Blue. It has some gold and brown and green. Kind of reminds me of the mountains and a lake, which is a happy spot for me. So that's why I named it Serenity. It has a gel-tipped badger knot in here, one that Charles got from one of his suppliers when he was testing him out. The razor this evening is going to be the Above the Tie Calypso. If I have any blood or anything down here, I have experienced some irritation as of late, some ingrown hairs. So I put on I try to really exfoliate bloop in the shower this evening. This is really nice and wet. This would be perfect for like a straight or a chevette. Look at all that. Blooped on the shirt, now blooped on the counter. Very hydrated soap. Very hydrated. Almost got it in my bowl. So we're just gonna take a moment here. Kind of clean that up. There. Now, as I mentioned, the razor, the Above the Tie Calypso, also with the blue plate. Kind of see a theme going on here. So just go here. I love the feedback on this razor. So as mentioned, Christmas was very nice here. We live about 10 minutes from my parents' house. So on Christmas morning, my kids kind of slept in a little bit, which is really nice. And parents came over, told my parents, hey, come over around 9 o'clock or so. Now you can see what the kids got. Now my parents have been in our kind of Corona circle ever since everything started. So they came over, had a good time with them for a little bit. They left. We took our dog for a walk. Kids got to pet their new toys. And they went to my parents' house a little bit later. Had Christmas at their house. Had an amazing Christmas dinner. Stayed there most of the day and then came home. Kids got to pet their toys when they go home a little bit. Just a nice, relaxing day. I took this week off of work. So that's always nice. Some time off. Our company meeting is next week starting on Monday. It's starting on Tuesday, but it's a virtual company meeting because the company's based in New York on Long Island, but the majority of the employees are located elsewhere. This is a very nice soap. Super wet, but still peaky. The bloop on the counter. A little bit on the shirt too. I'm regretting wearing this shirt tonight. I'm getting suds everywhere. Oh well. Very nice. Soap is performing very, very well. And I would say that if you were not familiar with Barbus, or didn't know what kind of soap it was, if it were in a fancier container, you could swear this was artisan. It is that good. It's a little hard off the puck. Hey. Or the puck is harder than one would think. But I used my little plastic spoon. It feels kind of tacky when I was bringing it out. I let it soak in the bowl. Been having some irritation over here as well, some ingrowns. So I let it soak while I was in the shower. But it was able to whip up a nice lather fairly quickly. And as you can see, it is very well hydrated. If I were using a straight or anything, this would easily pass the Ewan drop test, and it has a nice sheen to it. So I'm even going to hydrate the face between the pass. I just go with what's in the brush. Look at that. Very nice stuff. Another bloop. Like I said, very well hydrated. I haven't had soap flying off while lathering like this for a little bit. But it's still nice and peaky. So yes, it is very well hydrated, flying off my face, onto my shirt, onto my counter, into the bowl. But it is very peaky still. So like I said, I've used this once before on a head shave, and I did use the same brush to load from the puck, something I normally don't do. So loading from the puck was a little messy, especially with that nice big knot. I'm not sure, I think it's a 26 mil knot. I think that's what Charles generally gets. So loading into that was a little messy. Just because of the container size. I did not soak the soap at all. I just kind of took a damp brush and went at it. but I was able to get enough soap in there for 2 passes on the head, which was really nice. And tonight I scooped out quite a bit. Admittedly far more than I need, because I'm also shaving my head off camera. Chin's always a trouble spot, but dang, that seemed to get it pretty dang good. That's nice. That's really nice. All right, so if you've been around any other YouTubers, you've surely seen Dude Barbus. He comments on everyone's videos, super friendly, super supportive. Really good soap. Highly, highly, highly recommend it. The great thing with this soap is, since it is really non-artisan, and I believe, I can't read the ingredients, but I believe there's mostly glycerin based, is that you can take it on like an airplane, traveling. It's not going to be affected by all of the extreme temperatures. Unlike some artisan soaps these days, because they're super soft and creamy. This is going to give you good performance. Pretty much anywhere that you go. I believe I've seen some people use it with extremely hard water, like what you'd see down in Arizona, without any issue. We have hard water here. It's not super, super hard, just hard. The place we lived last was harder than it is here, harder water. But, man, that's a nice shave. And it's a nice, clean, classic scent that really you can pair with anything. Because it's not super strong scented either. Did I get bloops on it? Nope. Now just a nice, close, clean shave. So we're gonna finish that off. Some Thayer's. If I can turn it around the right way. This one's getting low. It has some coconut water. Or Thayer's coconut water, whatever. On deck next, this is the lavender. That was a nice close shave. Because we're going with the whole blue theme. Barbus All Pacific Crush. Because Barbus is blue. Razor was blue, the bowl was blue. Why not the aftershave? Again, highly recommend checking out Dude Barbus. The cream is really good. I've used the cream numerous times. This is my second shave, first face shave with the classic soap. And that soap is, it's excellent. It's really good. Highly, highly recommend it. I'm gonna finish off with some PA star jelly. Doesn't want some more menthol. My star jelly's almost out. So we should do some star jelly. If you're interested in the razor, the soap, highly recommend the soap. Star Jelly. Regretfully, you can't get the Barbasol anymore. It's sold out. It's been discontinued. If you're interested in any of the products used tonight, there'll be links below to those that are still available. I need to get some more Star Jelly. Like I said, I'm almost out of that stuff. I love it. That is one of my absolute favorite post-shave products. All right, so that was it for this evening. Used Big Dude Barbus Classic. This stuff is really good. Excellent soap. 5.2 ounces. Link for his directly from Big Dude Barbus will be below. You can also get this at the Razor Company. Then the Above the Tie Calypso with the H plate or the Aggressive. With the Craving Shaving, I named it Serenity. This is one of his testers. I don't think he names those, but I named it Serenity. Also good Firefly reference. And then my TSP Lather Bowl. So thank you guys again for tuning in, and I will catch you all next time.